In 2025, you don't need a boss or even a business idea to make money. You just need a smart strategy and a little help from AI. In this video, I'll show you 4 of the laziest real ways to make money with AI, even if you have no skills, no audience, and no money to start. And the last one? It's something most people don't even know exists. Let's dive in. Number 1. Start a blog that writes itself. No need to be a writer. Just pick a niche, like personal finance, fitness, or side hustles. Then ask ChatGPT to write blog posts for you. Write a 1,000-word blog on how to save money on groceries. Boom. Done in 10 seconds. Use WordPress, Wix, or Durable.co to set up your blog. Add Google AdSense or affiliate links. Every click equals cash. Lazy bonus. Once the blog is live, it runs 24/7. No updates, no stress. But what if you're not into reading or writing? Let's talk YouTube. Number 2. Launch a faceless YouTube channel. You don't need a camera. You don't need to talk. Here's how the lazy setup works. ChatGPT writes your script. 11 Labs creates a realistic AI voiceover. Pictory adds visuals and animations. Upload it to YouTube and monetize it with ads, affiliate links, and digital products. You're basically a content creator who never creates content. Thousands are doing this already, and some are making $100 to $1,000 a day, and it gets even easier. Number 3. Build a fully AI-generated website. Imagine building a money-making website in 60 seconds. With tools like Durable.co, you enter your business idea, like Resume Builder for students. The AI builds the full site, homepage, services, even the copy. Now plug in payment options, connect it to an affiliate program or offer digital services, and boom, you're live. This is like launching a startup without building anything yourself. But what if you don't want just one income stream? What if you could build an agency without employee? Number 4. Start an AI automation agency. Businesses everywhere are overwhelmed. Too many tasks, not enough time. You can help them automate. Emails, client onboarding, social media posts, even customer support. Use tools like Zapier for workflows, Make.com for automation, ChatGPT to respond to FAQs. Find clients on Fiverr, Upwork, or LinkedIn. You don't even need to do the work. Just set up simple AI flows and charge monthly. You're the lazy CEO of a smart agency, and clients love it. Let's break it down. A blog that writes itself, a YouTube channel that runs faceless, a full website made by AI, an automation agency that works while you chill. You don't need to hustle harder. You just need to start smarter. And guess what? These are only the beginning. Click the next video on screen. Best passive income ideas for 2025. It's packed with more lazy but powerful strategies to grow your money the smart way. Don't wait. The AI era is already here. Let it work for you.